Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will give you a couple of tips on how to create pin titles. First of all, don't forget that you really need to put that into your Pinterest marketing strategy, because Pinterest platform is giving us the advantages of, put the description, your blog post, and do a keywords research, have a little plan of how to create the best pins, and also make sure that everything matches together, like the blog post title, the keywords and the descriptions, and don't just put them out there. So it's really, really important for you to create pin titles that they are going to attract your target market, they're going to attract your audience, and make sure you are creating some curiosity about your pin, rather than don't have a little research and just say, I'm going to pin this and that's it. It's good that you make it simple, don't make it complicated, don't make it like, is it this or that's not what I want. So people make sure that people are going to click. So the titles has to be very, very important, and you have to put that on your strategy, because otherwise you're gonna lose clicks, you're gonna lose traffic, and whatever traffic you want for your ads or whatever is going to jeopardize this. So make sure that you have this as your plan. Another thing that you need to remember, that Pinterest is giving us a lot of free information on how to create titles and get pin ideas, and make it straightforward. Like, for example, I have one of my pins here, Pinterest tips for the free course that I have. Is simple, it's explained to the people that it's a 4-day free course. It's not really complicated. I don't say fancy things. I mean, this is another one from somebody else who say how the Pinterest market increase your engagement. You can see it here. So there are a couple of pins that they have to create curiosity, and then you say, I want to click on that to see, sign up or whatever. I want to see what is the blog post about. So you really need to have some research aside, and make sure that you put keywords like long tails, maybe short tails. Make sure that you do a research and match everything together, because Pinterest algorithms are changing, and this is changing, and a lot of things are changing. But if you keep it to the strategy that you need to create pin titles that attract your audience and your market, then it's going to help you increase your traffic, and you're going to have more traffic every month, rather than put it out there and just like, whatever, I'm going to put this blog post. So make sure you take it a little bit more seriously. It's very important for you to have a look through on pin ideas and get some right keywords for your blog posts. So this is a couple of tips that I think they're gonna make a difference into your Pinterest marketing strategy. Don't forget to add it on, don't just ignore it, and make sure that you contact me if you need anything, and have a great day.